Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how I dye my Curly&Wild Afro clip-in extensions, but you can also follow these steps for any natural clip-ins. I'm using Cream of Nature hair dye in Intense Black. I use gloves to protect my hands from the dye. There should be some provided in the box of your hair dye. Next, I mix the activator with the cream hair gel. Once all the contents are inside, I shake the bottle. Then I add the dye to the front and the back. And distribute the dye using my hands. Add in more dye when needed. I also make sure to add dye to the top of the weft and on the ends. Once I am done, I place the weft on an old towel and repeat the process with the remaining wefts. After all the wefts are done, I let the dye sit on the hair for 30 minutes. Now it's time to wash the dye out with shampoo. I add some shampoo to the wefts and add a little water and work the shampoo into the hair. When I rinse out the shampoo, I make sure the water runs clear so I know all the dye has been washed out. After I've washed out all the dye, I let the hair air dry overnight. If you want, you can also deep condition the hair for added softness.